Hello and welcome to the Hill and Ponton VA video blog. I'm Matthew Hill.
Carol Ponton.
And we are talking about big mistakes or misconceptions that we see veterans have that end up interfering and frankly preventing them from getting the compensation they deserve. Today we want to talk about timeframes on appeal, timeframes to get a decision, and how that plays out. What do you see, Carol?
Well, first of all, across the country, as everybody knows, the VA is really backed up. Now, when you file a new claim, they've gotten pretty good at denying you quickly. But if you file an appeal, usually it's 3 years or more before you get a decision on that appeal.
It depends on where. I mean, I've seen 18 months. There's sometimes
could be 18 months, but I would say many of the places are 3 years or more. So you file a notice of disagreement or an NOD, and it may take that long to get a decision. And then if you're unhappy, you get a statement of the case that comes to you denying things. You file a VA-9 and go to the Board of Veterans Appeal. That is taking 3 years. Now,
so she said 2 3-year periods. You have the period from when you file the appeal at the regional office, you get denied there, that's 3 years, and you file another appeal to the board, and that's 3 years.
And what I see happening is people think someone will tell them, I can get a decision for you right now. Drop all these appeals and file a new claim. Well, you've just given up 6 years of benefits, and you may get another denial.
Right.
So it's not only
the question getting
a decision or approval.
Right, and that's that can be confused, and it's important to remember that, because if you got denied at the regional office once, twice, why are they going to grant you this time? Do they understand the law better? Do you have some bulletproof evidence? But yeah, in addition to that, even if you do win, you've just lost a lot of benefits, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars.
And I wish veterans would think about that, because somebody says, I can get you a decision. It sounds good unless you realize somebody should say, and it's probably going to be a denial.
Right.
And you're going to lose all your past due benefits. So think about what you're doing before you give that up.
We'd say there's a big catch. Somebody says, I can get this for you now. I can get this for you shortly. After you've been on appeal for quite some time, I'd be cautious of that. You know, what are you, and ask yourself, and frankly ask them.
What's difference is that they're going to approve you now where they didn't approve you before.
Right. So just think about that. Time frames are what they are. You know, we never sugarcoat or lie to our clients and say, hey, look, hire us, we can get it done faster. We can do it more competently, and we can make sure they get the benefits they deserve by developing the evidence. But speed's what you're looking for. Be careful what you get on the other end.
Right.
Thanks for joining us at the Hill and Ponton VA video blog, and please stay tuned to this space for more of our big mistakes we see. Thank you.